Yo, what's happening? How's it, Matt? How you doing?
Hey, how's it going? Good, thanks, and you, bro?
Yeah, good, thanks. Can't complain. Market's going a bit crazy, yeah?
Yeah, it's looking good. Some up, some down. I was still under the key level though.
Yeah, you're gonna cheat me, but I'm actually short Bitcoin, bro.
Nice, nice. I think it's a good edge. Good risk to reward. Yeah.
Yeah, but like
Where did
for
you?
the stream, I want to speak about the total three, bro. Have you seen this chart?
Yeah, total three looks awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just had a show now about the total three breakout and
Mm,
Bitcoin dominance looking toppy as well. Yeah, I think
yeah,
the shift is
exactly.
real. I think shorting Bitcoin and longing altcoins is quite a good hedge.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, my entry, because actually this morning, bro, I woke up at like 4 a.m. or something. Um, and that's the daily open for Dubai. So what I saw was it just looked like a double top, bro, on the daily. So
Yeah,
what I was speaking about in
good
my
chance.
live earlier, we couldn't really close above this level here for Bitcoin, like 40 64,200, sorry, 64,500. I was hoping we could actually just clear that level. But yeah, we ended up closing below. And yeah, I honestly don't use RSI at all. But there is a bearish divergence on the 4 hour. I mean, it does look like it. I mean, it could potentially already played out right now. I mean, this could just be the sweep because it did actually tap 63,200. But this is something to obviously watch out for Bitcoin. Obviously, like altcoins, guys, altcoins are looking really, really strong. This is just for Bitcoin. Um, I'm not saying that I'm bearish on Bitcoin. I'm just shorting it like on the short term time frame. I think a lot of people think that way. You know, like if I take a short, they're like, "Oh, he's bearish on this coin," but it's actually
Yeah,
just a
yeah.
scalp. It's a scalp trade. My TP is probably just going to be 62 600 if we if we do get there. I was looking at this level here, which is that 200-day moving average, but that's a little bit ambitious. It's just in case we get a flush. But yeah, I think like you were saying, long out, short BTC is the way.
Yeah, for sure. For
Yeah,
sure.
but
Anything else you've looked at, eh? It's gone alert.
yeah, I'm actually still in a under long, bro.
Yeah, I'm also
Um,
I'm in an underlong as well, bro.
yeah, bro, I'm like I'll check
I'm
now,
in
but I'm
from
up like
I'm in from 59 cents, bro.
59 cents.
Yeah, from there, bro.
Holy shit, bro.
Yeah, it's ripping.
What are you
I'll
up
share
like
my
600
screen.
or something? Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking good. I think 10x leverage or something. So yeah, it's
Oh
looking
wow,
decent.
that's nice.
Yeah, I'll share my screen just now and show you my trades.
Okay, so there we go.
Oh, is that me? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Cool. Yeah. So this is my under trade. Yeah, so there was a bit of a downsloping resistance over here, and we broke out and we started to, camp on top there. And this is normally quite a good signal for me to go long. Very good risk reward over here. If you long this region over here, stop over here. I think that was the trade setup. And I think I just had entries from about 60 cents to about, 50, 58 cents or something, 57 cents. I didn't get fully filled, but the trade's looking good. Yeah, this is the trade idea. So I'm long. My first TP was actually here, this region over here, between here and here, which we haven't hit yet, but we're probably going to hit it soon. But yeah, I'm not too sure. I'm going to TP here. I think we've total three, which we just discussed earlier, is looking really good. So these are my two scenarios for total three. If we can break and hold above the 50% level, then it looks like we're out the woods. If we claim this high over here, it's shifted the market structure. If we can start camping above the 630 billion mark, I think it's been looking good for total three. Or we just come down, retest the top as support before we move higher. My target is the 720 billion region mark before 800 billion, and then potentially 1.2 trillion is the all-time high. I think we're going to hit that. It would be cool to see that, in quarter four. And looking at the stats for quarter four, it is looking quite good. So I'm in this Ondo trade, which is looking quite good. I'm in this Pepe trade. I'm gonna show. I'm in 10 trades, and they're all ripping. So I got
Oh,
Pepe.
really?
Yeah. So Pepe. Pepe. I'm front running this breakout. Bit of an ETH beta play. So I saw Ethereum pumped, I think Monday, and I was like typing. I was writing up some updates, and like I took a screenshot and then I posted it, and then I went back to the chart and it ripped like 3%. So I was like, okay, damn, I don't want to miss this. So I just longed Pepe. So that's the Pepe trade. TP1 is here, but again, I'm not sure if I'm going to TP because if we have caught the bottom, it's going to be quite beneficial.
Yeah.
ApeCoin, this is just a kind of level to level. Going to be TP here, and this could be a massive breakout. I was talking about this on the live. If we can break out from this, we can come into this $5 region.
That's huge. Is that on the daily? Yeah. Sure.
That's a huge breakout. And then Arweave gave this on Monday as well.
Yeah.
This is a breakout. This is textbook.
Yeah.
Breakout. Now we're parking and holding the 50-day EMA. If you aren't in this trade, it's still not bad. But yeah, not as good as from down here. First TP's here, then we can be looking over here. But again, gonna hold this trade. I think this is a good one. This got shot. We've just bled out here. I think this is quite painful for the bulls. BNB still in this trade. And you see there's this huge downsloping resistance over here. Marked we got rejected, fake out, rejected, and now we've broken out. And we've closed 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth day above this trend line over here. But this is bullish. I think this is really good. And we're in from over here, which is epic. First TP, I think, is going to be over there as a swing trade. I think if we can come into this 585 region, I'll be re-adding, and then we could see a move up there. But yeah, this is a 40% move, and I think I'm on 20 or 25x leverage. So that's looking pretty good for BNB. BSV, looking okay, got heavily rejected today. Didn't actually see this at all. Got rejected over here. But we're in from over here. We almost got stopped out, but it didn't come to the level. What else? ICPs also looking good. Whoops.
Yeah. Clean.
This is a classic, guys. Downsloping, breakouts, retest, a bit of a choppy, and then off we go. Just got to be patient with these trades. And Ondo, we spoke about Ondo. Ondo's looking good. Sui, this is one of my biggest positions. We got in from 87 cents, 10x leverage.
Yeah, that's keen.
So I'm going to be adding to the position at 144. And TRX, this is the only trade that is flat. The rest are pretty much in the green. But TRX, I think this is still a good risk reward. We could come down and see this level easily. I'm not sure about the stop loss. I might close this trade because it's just not moving, and I think there's more risk that it rolls over now. But yeah, that's what I've got to share at the moment. I think Total 3 is looking good. I just want to have a look at Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance was in this key level, which I've been outlining for a while now. This was support. Looking at it to potentially flip into resistance, and then if you just zoom in, we had this big daily resistance level. Resistance, and we came above, and looks like we've deviated, big deviation, and now we've closed below. So this is looking like a top. It's looking like a top for Bitcoin dominance. I think on the weekly time frame, it's got like a big reversal bar. So yeah, if we can get Bitcoin dominance to come and chill like this, I think this will be the official start of alt season. But I think now we're just going to see downward pressure for Bitcoin dominance.
I agree.
And I've got one more to show. So I think it's just USDT dominance. I haven't been at the screen, but these are the scenarios. But we see that it's also getting rejected. We want to see USDT dominance, keep moving down. If we break this support, this is going to be the start of alt season.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, that's yeah. I want us to break that trend line, bro. Yo, if we can break that,
But
cruising.
yeah, but for now, we're going to have to treat this as support. It's a big horizontal level as well as
Of
a
course.
upsloping support. So, we could see crypto get rejected and this just move to the upside. We have to respect both potential
Yeah.
ideas. Bitcoin
I'm
Cash,
actually
nice.
I'm actually looking at a position now, more of a scalp trade for Bitcoin Cash. So basically, this is on the lower time frames. Obviously, Bitcoin Cash quite bullish on the higher time frames. I don't really want to get into it, but essentially we just got a breakout right now. So what I would look at for this trade is I would want a potential flip of this wick over here. So I want to see a break of this wick. Um, yeah, if we can break this wick over here on the lower time frames on the 5 minute, then I'll jump into this. I'll go long on this trade, back up to these highs. Risk to reward would, I'll put my stop just below here. It's not the greatest risk to reward, but your stop would definitely have to be below that level, because it is a smaller time frame play. Yeah, I'm just going to target these highs. So potentially we can get an entry within this live right now. Yeah, so this is the only trade that I'm like looking at right now for a setup. Yeah, there wasn't any news there, I don't think. Yeah, there wasn't any news. So it's the volume that's coming in now. It's pretty much just New York. Yeah, so it's pretty clean. Let's see if we can break this high, and then I'll jump into this trade.
Awesome.
I'll
Yeah,
jump
just
in.
speaking about news, there hasn't been much news. I think, there was quite
Yeah.
a big news last week, and we did see the markets move quite a lot. But there is US GDP tomorrow. How do you think this will?
Which one? Oh, let's have a look here. Can you hear that noise when that beeping noise?
That was your alert, huh?
Yeah, sorry, it's bro. I put my like I've tried to code my strategy into TradingView, um,
Yeah.
and this thing
With
just goes
alerts.
wild. Like,
Tick, tick,
don't
tick, tick,
understand.
tick.
It's very annoying. Yeah. So tomorrow we have what do we have tomorrow? We have GDP. Yeah,
Final
unemployment claims.
GDP quarter on quarter. I think this is going to be big
Mm,
news.
yeah, as well.
Um, I think the whole inflation and this and that. I think waiting for the CPI and that's potentially come to an end. I think the
Mm,
inflation data was quite bullish last week, and we have seen a reversal. I mean, the S&P 500 is just chilling at all-time highs. Nothing really
yeah,
bearish about that. Sentiment isn't really back. It's like the fear and greed still under 60, which is pretty positive.
yeah.
Um, but the GDP, that's the gross domestic product. I think. I think
Yes.
this could have a big effect on the markets. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it normally does. From my experience with crypto, it definitely has an impact. Um, so I don't think like if you want to open positions, maybe just look at like the morning. I wouldn't open positions during that time. And then obviously New York session. Oh, bro, Powell's speaking tomorrow as well. I didn't
Your
even notice that. Okay, yeah, tomorrow's big, guys. Tomorrow's a big day. We got Powell speaking at 5:20, which is quite weird. He normally speaks like 10 p.m. So I don't know what that's about. Um, so yeah, I think tomorrow I wouldn't really focus on scalp trading. It's gonna be lots of chop. Maybe just look for swing setups. Yeah, I don't like trading during like these type of. I mean, we can look at it, right? I'll probably go live or something. Maybe we'll go live and check it out. But yeah, I just want to quickly go back to this trade, guys. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Cash. I'm gonna go long here, guys. I'm gonna go long here for Bitcoin Cash. Um, yeah, this is the setup. It's pretty simple. I don't want to go like I've gone over like I can go over the higher time frames, but we all know that most coins are quite bullish, so don't really want to jump into that too much. Yeah, so I'm gonna take this long. It broke the previous high. It looks quite clean. I mean, it's just playing level to level here, pretty much support resistance. Stop loss just below the low at around about 344.3.
I'm gonna
Take
join you.
profits
I'm
will
gonna
be,
join you for this. I'm gonna join you for this.
yeah. Looks clean, looks clean, looks clean. Yeah, you guys can enter. Looks clean. So if you look at even on the 15, right, 15-minute breakout as well, it's quite a clean setup. Respecting obviously support over here. Um, yeah, looks good. Although like I am long, I am short on Bitcoin as well, so it's quite a weird one, but yeah, looks good.
50x leverage, yeah?
100 me. No, I'm kidding. I just use it. I used to
I'm I'm
I
I'm
use
I'm 50xing for Vance.
oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, I reckon.
Yeah, good.
I need to get my
Yeah,
volume up
so
there.
this yeah. Um Yeah, so in order for this trade to be like invalidated, we would obviously have to break support, right? So that's the whole reason why the stop loss is below this wick. Um, it's a clean breakout. Nothing really crazy about this trade. Obviously, if you look at we can go into the higher time frames. The 4 hour pretty much retested this previous high nicely. Two bottom wicks over here, and we have closed above this level over here. So any closure above pretty much between here and here is quite clean, right? So I would expect this just to flip to the upside. So yeah, this is very annoying. My alert. I think I'm gonna switch this thing off. Slack. So frustrating. Someone's asking what's happening, guys. If you guys are watching on YouTube, welcome, guys. If you're watching on Telegram, I mean, what Twitter? Yeah, just retweet, like the post, and all of that. Someone's asking, can you check out GMT and can you check out GLM? Yeah, of course we can do that. We can do that. Let me check that out. GMT. I don't think I've looked at GMT in probably about 10 years. Yeah, I mean it's ripping. When was this? I was looking to long this. Don't know when that was. Got stopped out. But we can't even trade GMT, so I don't even know why. Yeah, so I mean GMT quite basic. This is the next key level for GMT. What we need to see is obviously um, a break of this level. We have the 200-day moving average. What we're most probably going to see is we probably just going to see a fat candle tap into the 200-day, maybe get rejected, close above this previous high, and then look for a retest trade. That would be the way. I wouldn't take a long now. We are at a potential resistance for GMT, although I do think that we're just going to break through this level and hit this level. You don't really want to be trading mid range. You'd rather be trading below the range, or at support, or you would rather be trading at resistance for like a potential sell setup or something like that. But trading like pretty much 75% of the range, it just doesn't make sense. Although it looks like it's going to rip, just it's not a great setup. Your stop loss would have to be below like here, so the risk to reward would be terrible. Yeah, so that is the setup. I mean, GMT looks decent, but not really interested. Um, yeah, what else? There is GLM. 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 Let's have a look here. Oh, it's up 9% there. Angry. Um,
Angry.
angry.
That's so angry,
Angry
bro.
move. Yeah, I mean GMT. I mean GLM. I mean this was a level, right? Broke out. It's a textbook retest, right? And if it can close above this 200-day moving average, I mean probability of us just ripping from this level is back to like these levels, which is a strong support. It's quite likely, right? So I would expect price to rip from this point. So if tomorrow we get a close below, I mean above this level over here, we could see another pump of around about like 20%. So I'll just be aware of that. Looks really clean. Yeah, it kind of looks like this is just bottomed out. If we do look at like this level over here, it kind of, yeah, look at that. So this would be the rejection zone, right? We'll watch if you're in a long or in a long from like these levels or here, take profit would definitely be at like 0.43. We are most probably going to get rejected from that level. So just watch out for that. So if you guys
Probably the
are
next
long on
few
this
days.
coin,
In the next few
yeah,
days. Um,
exactly. So you guys, you still have a bit of room. I mean, there might be a bit of chop tomorrow. Remember, if you are swinging in this one, it doesn't matter. It's really bullish. I think that this is just going to rip. Um, so just remember, tomorrow is going to be quite crazy. Like final GDP, unemployment claims, core durable goods, FOMC, um, and then like we have USD news pretty much the whole night until like 9 p.m. Although this doesn't really mean anything, it's more like the red folder news. It's just something to know that tomorrow's gonna be quite crazy. So yeah, just be careful with that. Okay. And then quickly bit of a shout out here for Prop W, but um, essentially Prop W is I know most of you guys already know because the people that are watching on X and on YouTube already know what it is. But the people that are watching on my YouTube, basically it's um, basic you pay a subscription fee to get a certain amount of funds, and it's almost just like a prop firm, right? It's basically the same thing. You have to pass two challenges. Once you pass them, they give you the money to trade, and then you have certain requirements in order um, to pass the challenge. So you have to. I can quickly run through it quickly for you guys, but essentially, um, there are like four. Let's have a look here. Let's let this load. Here we go. So these are the challenges below here. Here we go. So we have the standard mode and the hard mode. So basically, all you need is $50 to get a 5K account. You need $100 for 10K. You need $200 for 25K and $300 for 50. And to even get 100K, it's only $500. So if you don't have the capital and you are a decent trader, I think prop trading is for you. Remember, there is obviously requirements, guys. It's not like you get given the funds. Prop trading is you have to pass challenges, right? You have to pass two phases. So the first phase is 8% target, right? And then the second phase is 5%. Once you've done both of those phases, you get given the account, and then you can trade freely, right? But of course, these these drawdowns still matter, right? The 5% daily drawdown and the 10% max drawdown still matter when you have the funding account. So it's basically prop trading. And how I like to see it is it sets you up to be a good trader, because if you can do a prop firm challenge, it means your risk management is good. You're obviously sticking by rules, and that's the whole thing with trading is basically you stick to your rule set. So it does teach you a lot of lessons, prop trading, if you are new to it. And yeah, it's I mean it's the cheapest out there, right? It's only $50 for 5K account. But I know a lot of you guys are just going to degen this and pretty much just go all in on a trade. But yeah, just treat it like that it's your own money. So yeah, that's prop trading, guys. Make sure you guys also follow them on Prop W, because they're always giving away giveaways like a 5K account. Make sure you always check them out, guys. Yeah, see that token. This is obviously myself, Matt, and Boris. I don't think Boris is joining us today. I'm not too sure he is. Yeah,
oh,
so yeah, guys, check in the
it's
comments. Yeah, just one more. Check in the comments for 5,000 funded. Just comment your CoinW UID. Comment it in the comments, and you'll be able to. Oh, there's also 100% refund, guys. 100% refund if you pass. So basically, if you buy the challenge, right? So you buy, let's just say you buy the 500 challenge, right? And you pass the challenge, they'll give you the $500 back. So it's pretty much, I'm not going to say risk free, but yeah. Okay. Of course, when ready, Boris, let me know. Perfect. No worries, guys. Yeah, so Boris is joining us in just a second. But yeah, basically, guys, that is prop trading. That is prop trading. What's happening, Boris? So I'll just continue. Yeah, but it looks like we are getting a bit of a dump here for some reason. Yeah. Boris, you're alive, bro. Okay, so yeah, what other coins you guys looking at? If you guys are watching on my YouTube, just comment your UID, and you can have a chance to win a 5K account. Very simple, right? Make sure you guys do that. Make sure you guys do that now. It's not hard. All you need to do is comment. It's like one
For
of the most basic
$5,000.
things.
That's pretty angry.
It sounds like a good deal, right? Yeah, guys, just comment, guys. It's if
I'm
you
in the
are new to prop
comments.
trading, if you if you are new to yeah as well, bro. If you are new to prop trading, we do the signals that we give in the Telegram will help you, like especially Matt signals, right? His signals for prop trading will pretty much pass you the challenge because I mean it's more of a swing trading style because you can only go 5x leverage. No, don't comment UID. Comment your your actual like number
Comment
UID.
your UID, your user
Yeah, not,
identity. So when you open your CoinW account, you can go to your profile. There's that icon of the human, and then it'll say that your name or your email there, and then you've got a UID. So now the UID it's a unique 7-digit number. So that's the 7-digit number that's going to be posted in the comment section below, and you can stand a chance to win $5,000.
exactly. So make sure you guys do that. Very, very basic. Nothing hard.
And yeah,
Boris.
I've got a strategy that's I think can guarantee to get into the prop W, get the funded account. But yeah, we can discuss that on a different day.
Yeah. So Matt will share that, guys. He'll help you out with your journey. Yeah, there we go. That's the UID. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Perfect. Is that your screen or my screen, Matt?
It's my screen. It's my screen. Yeah, so let's have a look at the banter bubbles. So on the daily, you can see there's been quite a bit of gain by Stay. So Stay. Stay. Sorry, Boris isn't muted. So Say's up 25%. Popcats, double digits. You can see the meme coins are doing quite well. So we got like Whiff, we got Knots, we got Brett, Popcat. We just mentioned there. Yeah, these are doing quite well. Pepe is also pumping. I think Pepe is going to rip. We got a Whiff, doing well. On the hourly, you can see they're also holding up well. They're normally the first out the gates, which is showing that there's a bit of risk on at the moment. Yeah, that's what the banter bubbles. Just want to have a look at the S&P 500. So the market just opened and yeah, it's looking bullish. All-time highs is bullish, right? There's no real debate. And I think the Nasdaq's going to catch up. You can see they got you got this like W pattern with a higher low. And it's looking quite similar for the Nasdaq over here. W pattern, higher low. And I think there's a good chance that the Nasdaq's going to break out and start consolidating above the all-time high, just like the S&P did. Yeah, I think there's catch up on the cards. I think it's going to happen. You see the dollar. I spoke about the dollar in my live today. The dollar's breaking down, so it's lost the range low, and it should be downwards for the dollar. Still take out the pivot low. That's coming at 99.5. But yeah, that's looking pretty good. And I just want to chat about Ethereum because Ethereum is starting to consolidate above the 50-day EMA, which is bullish. And if we get a throwback into this level here at 2590, I'm going to be going long on Ethereum. I think Ethereum has some catch up to play. Yeah, we'll have to see about that. Solana's also looking good. Bullish on Solana for sure. We are long on Solana. It's kind of broken out and starting to consolidate above the 50. And you can see that it could be similar to Ethereum. So I think Ethereum is going to have that big candle soon and push into this 2850 zone, which I think this couldn't be bigger resistance. I think this is the biggest resistance on the market at the moment. Is it the Ethereum 2850? There's strong support. Should get a push up into the 200 EMA. Take the liquidity from the shorts over here, and then you'll see what happens for Ethereum.
Yeah, Ethereum has been lagging a bit, eh?
Yeah, it's lagging, bro. It's like 2000 ping, bro.
It's like playing on SA servers.
Yeah, it's like playing games in South Africa. But let's have a look at your. I see your Bitcoin Cash positions doing okay. Let's have a look at
Yeah,
that.
let's jump back into
We can.
that. Can we share the screen there? Let me ask. Yeah, so guys, if you did join now, welcome, guys. Welcome. This live we do every Wednesday. I also go live on Friday for thank you for Prop W as well. Um, yeah, and we've just long Bitcoin Cash because, like I said, it's still valid, guys. It's on the 5 minute time frame, very clean setup. It's still valid. If you guys are trading on Prop W, you can also take the setup. I'm not telling you what to do, but it's something that I'm doing for my personal account. Remember, keep your stop loss at levels that make sense. That's the most important part. You don't want to have a stop loss just below here because this can still come back down to support. So you want to, whenever you put a stop loss, make sure it makes sense, right? Because they can still be like a liquidity sweep or something like that. So yeah, let's see what happens for Bitcoin Cash. We are long. TP will be 355. Obviously, if we rip, we rip. You don't have to TP here. I'll show you the next key level for Bitcoin Cash, but remember always to take some profits out at key levels. Makes sense. We do have, yeah. I mean, if you're looking left, right, it's just there is quite a lot of resistance sitting at. Let's have a look here. I mean, right over here. But if we can break that, we most probably just going to go back up to these highs around about this zone. It's going to be quite a fat zone. But yeah, it looks good, guys. So we are long here for Bitcoin Cash. I actually, um, I've actually closed my Bitcoin long. Now I entered at 62, 64, 200. I think that this was that wick that is just gonna continue to go high. I mean, if you look at the chart, this is still technically in an uptrend. We are creating high lows. So yeah, I've closed my long. I mean, my short for Bitcoin because I feel like this was that wick. And what I want to look at now is quickly, just want to have a look at the heat map. Maybe we can see some potential zones of interest, right? So if we have a look at this, you guys all know if you guys watch me on YouTube and on CoinW and also PropW, I speak about this a lot. But essentially, I use this to find zones for the lower time frames because I feel like when you're trading on the lower time frames, trading liquidity zones, it's quite basic. It's quite basic. You don't know where they are. For some reason, it is lagging a little bit here, so just give it a minute. Just give it a minute. Just one, to be fair, not. But yeah, I'm not too sure why this is not loading. I'm not too sure why this is not loading. But basically, guys, just long on Bitcoin Cash right now. Just gonna chill out and wait for that. Someone's asking, can you check out Mario? Mario's asking, can you check out Catty? Of course. Let's have a look. Catty. Bit of a meme coin, I reckon. Let's have a look at this. So, so it came out like on Friday. Maybe this is on a different exchange. Let's see. These coins most probably this is on Binance. So I think Gate.io or Mexi. I'm not too sure. List them first. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, you can see this was Gate. Gate normally lists tokens first. Yeah. You can see over here. Okay, so Gate looks different to what Mexi's looking at just because the listing date was different. So it doesn't mean anything, but it just gives us a little bit more data, right? So if you look at Catty, I mean, it's quite evident that we've got a key level. I mean, this is quite a strong support over here. And also this level over here has been holding for the past couple of days. So yeah, I think if you are, I mean, I don't really know much about this coin. It looks like a meme coin, right? But essentially, if you are bullish on the project and all of that, these are the accumulation zones that I'll be looking at around about 0.74 and 0.67. That is probably the key level. But yeah, it looks like it's wants to break out. To be fair, if we look at the 1 hour, it would probably give us a little bit more data. Yeah, I'm liking the look of this. Looks like a nice structural move here. I do think that this could rip. Just looking at the data, let's have a look at the 4 hour.
Yeah, hey guys, I'm back. If you can see me.
Boris, what's happening? You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just using my cell phone for StreamYard, so
Oh,
I guess
what?
talk more commentary, and you guys can pull up any charts.
Yeah, no worries, no worries.
Yeah, I didn't know that was public. Like I thought, whatever. We're
No
all
worries
here.
at all, Boris.
How you doing, Boris? Nice to hear from you, bro.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah,
But
nice to hear from you.
yeah, posted some killer trades in the Telegram / Discord. Well, the Telegram and Discord. So
Yeah, we've been smashing it there.
I'm sure you've seen them.
Yeah,
So they're doing well. But I actually haven't taken a look at my other positions. Let me see how they're doing. If everything is mostly in the green, that means they're doing well. So positions are good. I think I'm pretty. Yeah. This
yeah,
month's
everything.
looking good. Julie's gonna put me back on the leaderboard for top traders. Because I've been
Yeah,
off like freaking like ever since I got back from Dubai.
yeah.
At Dubai trip.
Seems like you're lagging a bit, bro.
Huh?
Like your voice, it goes in and out.
Probably my cell phone. Let me see if I can adjust something.
No worries. Puzzling today. Yeah, so guys, if you're watching on YouTube, welcome, guys. Please make sure you guys like the stream, subscribe to the channel. If you guys are watching on Twitter, remember, guys, Prop W, we go live every Wednesday, and then I also go live on Friday for Prop W at a different time. So just make sure you're always updated. They do give out a lot of rewards and a lot of different accounts every week, and also just by attending these lives right now, you have the opportunity to actually get involved, to get free airdrops. So yeah, make sure you always just keep up to date. I mean, there's also an account that you can get up to. If you check the hard mode, you can do a 200K account. Obviously, it costs a lot more. The hard mode is a little bit harder, where your profit target is 10% and then 5%, but then your drawdown is less as well. Whereas on the standard mode, you have quite a bigger drawdown, which is obviously a lot easier. So just make sure when you're looking at the standard and hard mode, understand what you're getting yourself into, because and also understand what these numbers mean, right? You don't want to go in and just full margin it, right? So yeah, that is what's happening. So yeah, what else is there to look at here? Let's have a look.
I just want to
I was actually
pull. Can you hear me better?
Yes, I can.
All right, good.
Yeah, it's working now, I think.
I went long on like the one trade I posted. I wanted to post some more, but I was like so tired. Bonk. I think that's kind of like a break even right now.
Have a look. I'll pull it up for you.
Yeah, the real like good trades.
Yeah,
Wait, well, I can just like look through the Telegram to show you.
I'm actually looking at this. I was looking at this today. Someone wanted to look at it in the live stream, and it looks really, really clean. I'm actually waiting for tomorrow because I'm probably going to front run this, because the 4-hour candle looks really good, and also Bonk hasn't really done much compared to the other coins, right? I mean, you check like Whiff and like
yeah,
Pepe. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, sorry to interrupt you, but yeah, Whiff was one of my good trades. 80% ROI on that, almost to TV3. Then well, CRV was a decent one, like 19%. We also had wait, did I not post one to the group? Anyway, we had IO. Yeah, Bitcoin was a good trade. IOTA, I think that was last week, but this week, since we have so many trades being posted.
Yeah, guys, make sure you always on the Telegram group, because Matt and Boris post some swing trades. They've been really good, guys. So you make sure you guys join the groups.
It's like so much winning. It's hard to keep track of all the winning.
Yeah, exactly. You guys make sure you guys get involved. It's a no-brainer. So yeah, I'm more on the scalp side. Boris and Matt have been posting some killer swing trades. So
yeah, but
yeah.
Anyway, so, the trade setups are going well. I'll update them to the group after the stream, and then I will. Let me just take a quick look at the markets because, like I said, I overslept and yeah. I had my alarm at like 8 a.m. and I clicked snooze and then.
You know, yesterday I woke up late, and the reason why is because I had a dream that I got up, showered, and started trading on my couch.
Yeah, bro. I have weird dreams like that all the time.
Really, like so realistic. Like I don't know, it's crazy. So yeah.
It's pretty
Yes,
happy, bro.
I'm doing a really quick scan of the markets right now. Looks mostly bullish to me. I mean, Saga especially 10%. Everything else kind of like minor gains and kind of like minor losses. So nothing real big happening.
Yeah, exactly.
The,
I mean, everything's kind of ripped, you know.
Of course. I don't know what's happening in the Nasdaq.
Yeah, let's actually look at. I think Matt already pulled it up, but we can pull it up. Have a look at the US 100. Yeah, I mean the US 100, like it broke above this key level over here. The problem is over here that we didn't really close above this level, so there could be a rejection here. But I mean, it's if you look at this chart, it's just so bullish. Like there's nothing bearish about this. Yeah, we could potentially see an all-time high very soon. Yeah.
Yeah, turn on my cam just to see that I'm in my bathrobe. So I'll turn it off.
Nice to see your face, bro.
Yeah, thanks, bro. At least we know you're real.
AI generated.
Yeah, numbers. I was looking at what was it, Cardano, guy? Because I took a long. I didn't actually take the short, but I was looking to short it. The reason why is very overextended, and we are just hold on here. We are still bullish, right? We are still respecting this trend line over here, but we didn't close above, right? We didn't close above this level. So I'm looking, if the daily candle tomorrow can close like respecting, I'll probably look to take a trade back down to this level and then take a long on the breakout. But this could easily just flip, right? This could easily just flip and break this level over here, and then tomorrow we can take some more longs. But Cardano has actually been waking up, which is quite interesting because it's been sleeping for a long time.
Cardano also overslept.
This thing's been sleeping for years.
Yeah, I think it's still sleeping really yet.
This has been in like debate over here. Let's have a look at Pepe. Someone's asking about Pepe. Let's have a look.
Swing long.
I mean, Pepe broke out
Bullish.
yesterday. I actually took a long yesterday, just like a scalp long. I think it was in my live stream, or when was this? No, it was last night. It was a breakout. I mean, it was quite a basic setup, similar to the setup that we're taking on Bitcoin Cash now. A very, very similar setup. And yeah, hit TP within like a couple hours, but it still looks good, guys. I mean, Pepe is above major levels, guys. It's above this most recent high. We have retested it. Looks really good. Pepe is above the 200-day moving average over here. This is starting to turn up as well. Pepe looking really, really good. I think meme coins is the way right now. That's why I think Boris Bonk. I'm actually gonna wait for the next 4-hour candle close.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna take a long here for Bonk, because once Bonk breaks this downward flipping trend line, it's just gonna rip, because it's we haven't really seen anything from Bonk just yet, and I think holding this on the break over here is just gonna go crazy. So let's have a look at this. Yeah, you're looking at like a 72% if it can break out and then back. I mean, you just put a little bit of leverage on that and you're cruising,
Yeah. Also, Saga looks interesting, even though it's up 10%. Like, I think I might
Let's have
take
a look.
this. The Saga trade, SAGA.
Yeah. I'm just pulling it up.
If it ends the daily like this, even though it's up 10%, I'll still take it. Just
Yeah,
break of
I,
resistance.
I was waiting for it to come back down to this level. I actually had a limit order at like 1.9158, but it just didn't really hit that. Bit of a bummer. But yeah, I think on the daily time frame looks really, really good. If we can close above this previous high over here, because it was also support in the past, we're most probably just going to see this rip back up to like these levels here at around about like 3.18. So you still
if you
have
to zoom in there, if you to zoom on the 4-hour,
yeah,
you see it in like a kind of broadening wedge. It looks like it's getting quite angry.
oh, from here,
like that broadening wedge, like the megaphone pattern.
Like this, right? Or no?
Yeah, and then also on the bottom, so the top and the bottom, see it's opening up.
Yeah. I mean,
you can easily see the $2 again, but it looks like on the 4-hour, it looks like the region it's at now looks like pretty good support. You can see those old tops flipping into potential new bottoms.
Yeah, exactly. So that's a good sign. I mean, I might even take it on the 4-hour here, like in 1 hour's time, if we can close like this, it could be quite clean. Be looking at something like this. I mean, your risk to reward is going to be crazy, right? Because I'll probably just put my stop just below here. Risk to reward is like 1:3, so 1:3.6. Looks decent. Doesn't look too bad. Someone's asking, maybe we all dreaming now. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know if you guys remember, like the last bull run, it's like BNB was at like $3 and now it's sitting at like almost $600. Like, I don't think people are prepared for like the gains that are gonna come.
I'm prepared.
Yeah, of course. But I'm saying like for people that haven't really experienced something like this. Oh, Bitcoin Cash.
Yeah. Chili's looks quite interesting. The stage, whatever you say, however you say. Chili's cool.
Let's
Spicy
have a look.
coin. Remember Tango? X Trader called it
Yes,
spicy. I thought that
spicy
was
coin.
spicy coin. Spicy coin
Yeah,
looking bull.
yeah, looking bullish. I mean, it looks clean to be fair. I mean, this is a breakout round. Yeah,
Zero.
I mean,
I don't know if we have zero, but zero looks good. This is all
we do.
daily. Oh, we do.
We do, yeah.
Yeah, Shib looks good. So yeah, like the meme coins looking good so far.
Yeah, I think that's why front running bonk could be the plan. I'm gonna jump into that once the 4 hour. Yeah, check zero on the 1 hour. That's crazy. Yeah, just ripped. Nice. That's a good one. Yeah, if you guys are watching on Twitter, if you guys are watching on Twitter or YouTube, just comment the coins you want us to go over. We are gonna end the stream very, very soon. So we do obviously appreciate you guys being here. It's always a pleasure, and hopefully you guys did take the signal. Because Matt and I, we are long on Bitcoin Cash on the lower time frame. It's not going to be
We
a
are
long-term
chilling.
trade. Yeah, we're
I'm
chilling
up
at the
12,
minute.
13%.
Yeah, we're chilling. So, the TP for this is 355. Stop loss just below that low, 344. And yeah, if you guys are watching everywhere, just retweet, like, get this to as many people as you want. Obviously, the more it gets out, the better, right? Yeah, not much else happening right now. I think the way, I mean, everything is just bullish. So,
Yeah, guys, what are the key economic events this?
It's GDP
Boris,
tomorrow.
GDP,
Okay.
unemployment claim, and the Fed power speaking tomorrow as well.
Okay, that's important. And then we have our usual market insights tomorrow, right?
Yeah. So yeah, guys. Also, like Boris is saying, make sure you guys check it out. Market insights tomorrow at 5 p.m. So it's going to be literally we 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Dubai time. I'm not too sure what time you guys are in watching, but if you guys are on the Telegram groups, we literally send this out pretty much like a couple hours before, so you always updated. And Fed the power is going to be speaking during the insights, so it's going to be quite cool. What else? Someone's asking about INJ. Let's have a look.
Injective, baby.
Let's have a look. INJ looks like it wants to rip. Yeah, I mean, Injective got rejected from that. Well, that sounds weird. Injective got rejected from that 200-day moving average and also the daily high over here.
We can
So,
still only
yeah,
see the
thank you.
Forex Factory. There we go.
Yeah, I'm just checking if you're awake.
Drinking water.
Make sure you're not sleeping, me. So yeah, basically, as long as what I want to see is like a daily close above this level, back above the 200-day, and then this thing's just gonna. I think this is just gonna climb. You can also see here, which is quite interesting, is this over here. I mean, this is gonna be the break that I think everyone's waiting for. So there's a lot of coins that are on the verge of breaking or have already broken, right? So what you guys should be focusing are the ones that haven't broken yet. Like obviously there's a couple coins like Ondo, it's not valid right now, it's already broken out. A couple other ones like WIF, all these different things. I can't remember all of them on the top of my head, but same thing, like bonk. Make sure you guys check out bonk because once this thing breaks out, it's gonna rip like 70%. So just be prepared about this. I think buying bonk, even buying bonk on spot, like over here, it's just for me, it's a good investment. Obviously, I'm not telling you to buy a meme coin, but like H bar actually, I was looking at H bar today. It started to rip as well. Yeah, so basically H bar also looks quite good. You can see it's starting to wake up as well. What we need to see happen is we need to see a break of this previous high. You can see right now we have tested that high. So once we start breaking that high, I think we're just gonna pump straight through back up to. I'm gonna put an alert there. We're probably gonna pump straight back up to this 200-day moving average. So there's a lot of coins, guys. Make sure you also like with Boris, Matt, and I, like we literally go live pretty much every day. I go live every day. Matt goes live Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Boris also goes live, I think Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Monday, or Boris.
Go live like anytime. I mean, yeah, pretty much the live streams with you guys plus the Thursday market insights plus my 3 individual streams. I'm pretty much live every day.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Your
Yeah,
Ondo's
so
at
guys,
80 cents.
And this week, I've just been really
yeah.
focusing on improving my ROI because Sonia wanted me to really improve my ROI and get back on the leaderboard. So at least that's done. I mean, I'm on like the leaderboard by a small percentage, but on the leaderboard. But
Yeah.
in any case, I'm on the leaderboard, so that's good. So I can start the more aggressive moves with my
Yeah, so
trading.
guys, make sure you check out Boris as well. All of us go live.
To copy trade me.
Yeah. Check him out, guys.
Definitely copy trade because like we always post at different times and everyone misses the trades.
Yeah, exactly. So it's just better copy trade. The system has gotten much better. They've made improvements on the slippage and everything, so it should be good as long as you stick to the major pairs. And even like since I use low leverage, everything should work like almost perfectly.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, I think for scalping, and for me, it's a little bit different sometimes, but it's just about obviously choosing the right coins because obviously the low liquidity coins just doesn't really work. But yeah, I think we're gonna end the stream, guys. Do you guys have anything else to say?
What's that one? I forgot the app.
Which one?
App that like cuts up little clips of our shows.
Oh, it's called let me quickly grab it. I haven't used it in a long time.
Yeah. Well, I can find it. It's okay.
No, Opus.
Opus? Was that another one?
No, that's not the one. I haven't used it. I think I'll send this one to you, but I think this is the one. It's the one where it puts it into like 10 clips, right?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, I'll send it to you on Telegram now. Okay. Yeah, I think that's one I used. I remember, but I think there is another one. I'm not too sure.
There was another one. Is Opus better than the other one you were using?
Yeah, I forgot.
Wait, let me ask. I'll ask ChatGPT.
Yeah, way more knowledgeable than me. You trust?
Why bother asking people at this point?
Yeah, literally.
That's the robots.
Does Boris and Matt have their own channels? They go live. Yeah, well, they go live on the CoinW app. I'll show you guys quickly how to access that. So if you guys on the CoinW app or let's just do the website. you want to click over here and click on live streaming. Okay. Once you click on live streaming, here we go. You can see that a few people are live right now. And basically what you want to see is every day there will be like a preview over here, and you just say remind me, and then it'll send you a notification on your app, and then you will never miss it, right? So just log into CoinW like tomorrow, right? Make sure you guys join this one. This is for tomorrow, the market insights. What you need to do is you literally just click remind me, and then tomorrow, a couple minutes before, it'll send you a link. It'll send you like the thing, and then you just click on it. But yeah, Boris, you can see Boris is over here. Let's just click on new because I went live today as well. I think Matt also went live. Yeah, Matt went live there. This was when I went live. So if you guys also, obviously, sometimes you watch me on YouTube, but you can also watch me here. Yeah, just make sure it's. We do have someone made a thing with all the three of us and our live times. We need to find that and just push that to the group, like every day, so people are always aware. I'll get that. But yeah, go to the CoinW app, guys, and make sure you can watch it on your phone or your desktop. But yeah, I think we're gonna end it.
Sweet.
Bonk pumping. Let's have a look at bonk quickly.
Good. Clients will be happy if bonk is pumping.
Yeah, there it is. Yeah, I was waiting for the 4 hour. So the 4 hour flipped. I'm gonna take this right now.
Looking
Actually,
good.
I think this is gonna rip way too hard.
We're gonna put your stop here under the wick now.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump in here, bro. We're going swimming, eh?
All in.
Straight, yeah.
20x leverage.
I'm going. Well, stop is gonna be below here, like the stop. It's a 4% stop.
So you can go 25x. Bro.
You liquidate it straight. Yeah. I'm gonna do like a 10x. Yeah, I'm gonna take a long here, guys. This is more of like a anticipation of the break of that previous high. But yeah, we went over it earlier. We're gonna end the stream now. Thanks so much for joining, guys. Appreciate it. And yeah, I'll check you guys tomorrow for the market insights.
Sweet. Cheers. See you guys tomorrow.
Cheers. Target for bonk. Sorry, yeah, target for bonk. Let's quickly show you before I leave. Yeah. I'm actually anticipating. So we have a level right over here at 0.0000222, 17% move. So guys, I think going low on the leverage here is the game plan. Okay, don't want to go too high on the leverage on this one. Okay, so 0.00226, and if we break that, we pretty much mooning. Yeah, but yeah, I do appreciate you guys watching. Check you tomorrow. Bye bye.